Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a flowchart in Notion. This is a powerful way to visualize processes, map out decision trees, or outline workflows directly inside your workspace without needing external diagramming tools. Let's get started. First, open Notion and select your workspace. Once you're in, head to the bottom of your sidebar and click on New Page. This creates a fresh page where you'll build your flowchart. After the page opens, type a title at the top, something like Mermaid Flowchart, then press Enter to confirm it. This keeps your workspace organized and makes it easy to find later. Now, click inside the page body. Here's where the magic happens. Type /code, and from the menu that appears, select Code minus Mermaid. Notion will instantly generate a Mermaid code block with a sample flowchart already inside. This block is specifically designed to turn code into visual diagrams, and it's exactly what we need. Next, look for the drop-down menu next to the language selector at the top of the code block. You'll see three view modes: Code, Preview, and Split. Code shows only the syntax you're writing, Preview displays the finished flowchart diagram, and Split lets you see both at the same time. Choose the view that suits your workflow. Split is great when you're learning the syntax. To start building your own flowchart, begin your Mermaid code with the keyword flowchart followed by a direction. For example, flowchart LR means your flowchart will flow from left to right. You can also use TB for top to bottom or other directions depending on your layout preference. Now it's time to define your nodes and connections. Use Mermaid syntax to create the structure. For example, you might type flowchart LR a start sut, we the decision up B sut, vertical bar, yes vertical bar. C action 1, B sut, vertical bar, no vertical bar, D action 2. This creates a start node, a decision diamond, and two action boxes based on yes or no outcomes. Mermaid syntax supports different shapes like rectangles, circles, and diamonds, along with arrows to show flow and decisions. These visual elements make it easy to represent complex processes clearly. As you edit, toggle between code and preview modes to watch your flowchart update in real time. This instant feedback helps you catch errors and refine your diagram as you go. Once you're satisfied, your flowchart is complete and fully embedded in your Notion page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.